In this video, I want to cover some of the updates we made with our ESS portal version 4.2 regarding multiple catalogs and multiple knowledge bases. Now, we've always had, from the inception of our application, had the support for multiple knowledge bases and multiple catalogs to where if you had multiple catalogs and multiple knowledge bases, they would show up on these different pages. But with Madrid, what ServiceNow has done, they've incorporated some of the same capability into the native service portal. So one of the things that we're doing in this version is we are honoring and leveraging those new Madrid kind of capabilities. And what I want to highlight there, so for example, is you'll see in my request area, I've got multiple catalogs. Right. So one of the things I can do now with this version, with a Madrid and higher version, is in my actual service portal record, I have a place where I can define what the catalogs are that I want to display, as well as what knowledge bases I want to display. Now what we're doing is we're honoring this now. So if you come into this table and you define these are the specific catalogs I want to be part of this portal and I want them in this order, we will use those. So to give you an example, I had two catalogs showing up right now. Let me go ahead and just change that to a single one. All right, now that I've done that, let me go ahead and just re-clear my portal cache, and then we'll just refresh this page just so it's bringing in something new and fresh. And what I should see is that I should see just one catalog kind of show up on my list. And because this one only has one catalog, one of the things it does is it kind of selects that catalog and drops me right in. Now I should also highlight that this carries towards the kind of search as well, right? So if I were to do a search for mobile, right, I do know that I have some catalog items that are in that technical catalog that refer to mobile. You'll see it's only isolating this to that one catalog I have available. Further, if I have business services specified and displayed, those business services on the health page here you'll see don't show the technical services, right? So just to kind of go back, right, if I go back to that portal record and I add technical catalog back to my list, and one thing I want to highlight here is I can also change the order of this. So let's say I want technical catalog to come first, even though T typically comes after S. Clear again, we'll refresh here. And what I should see now, and now you see there's two different catalogs, and notice the order of them is technical catalog is showing up first. Right, and then I can kind of see which items, services make up that. Same thing if I were to go to our request something page. What I should see now are two different catalogs. Notice technical catalog shows up first. Now the same thing we did for knowledge base, right? So the knowledge base area, you'll see there are multiple knowledge bases displayed here. Same thing if I did a search, I'd see multiple knowledge bases. On the portal record, there's a separate related list for how do you want to order those. Both of them are now inactive, but I could define which catalogs or which knowledge bases I want to show up on this list as well. So that's basically the update I wanted to cover in terms of adding the ability to leverage the related lists that are added in Madrid for catalogs or knowledge bases, use those for ordering, as well as kind of adding an additional filter to only show catalog items that are in those catalogs or knowledge articles that are in those knowledge bases. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.